Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey of transforming your passion for baking cookies into a profitable business. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over identifying your passion and market research. If you've ever dreamed of turning your love for cookies into a source of income, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything from identifying your unique cookie style to understanding the essentials of setting up your business. We'll explore how to create mouth-watering recipes that stand out in a crowded market and discuss effective marketing strategies to attract customers. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, we'll provide you with practical tips and insights to help you navigate the world of cookie entrepreneurship. Get ready to discover how to monetize your love for cookies while doing what you enjoy most. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get inspired to turn those delicious cookie dreams into a thriving reality. Identifying your passion. To kick off your cookie business journey, it's essential to recognize what truly excites you about cookie making. Start by reflecting on your favorite cookie recipes and flavors. What memories do they evoke? Are there specific ingredients or techniques that you love? This reflection will help you uncover your unique cookie making passion. Next, let's talk about personal branding. In the cookie business, your brand is your story. It's what sets you apart from the competition. Think about how you can infuse your personality into your cookies, whether through creative names, packaging, or even the way you present your treats on social media. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Try baking different types of cookies, from classic chocolate chip to exotic flavors like matcha or lavender. This exploration will not only refine your skills but also help you discover your niche in the market. Embrace the process, and soon you'll find the perfect blend of passion and creativity that defines your cookie business. Market research. Conducting thorough market research is a crucial step in launching your cookie business. Start by analyzing your local competition. Visit nearby bakeries and cookie shops to see what they offer. Take note of their best sellers, pricing, and customer feedback. This will help you identify gaps in the market. Perhaps there's a demand for gluten-free cookies or unique flavor combinations that aren't being met. Next, consider surveying potential customers. Create a simple questionnaire to gather insights on their cookie preferences, favorite flavors, and buying habits. This direct feedback can guide your product development and marketing strategies, ensuring you cater to what your audience truly wants. Lastly, understanding pricing strategies is vital. Research how similar cookies are priced in your area and consider factors like ingredient costs, labor, and packaging. This knowledge will help you set competitive prices while ensuring your business remains profitable. With solid market research, you'll be well equipped to carve out your niche in the cookie industry. Creating a business plan. A well-structured business plan is the backbone of your cookie venture. Start by setting clear business goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve in the short and long term? Whether it's selling a certain number of cookies each month or expanding to local markets, having defined goals will keep you focused and motivated. Next, budgeting is crucial. Outline your expenses for ingredients, equipment, and marketing. Consider the costs of high-quality ingredients, baking tools, and packaging materials. Don't forget to allocate funds for marketing efforts, whether it's social media ads or local events. A solid budget will help you manage your finances effectively and avoid unexpected costs. Finally, outline your marketing strategies and sales channels. Will you sell online, at farmers markets, or through local cafes? Think about how you'll promote your cookies, whether through social media, word of mouth, or collaborations. A comprehensive business plan will not only guide your operations but also attract potential investors or partners. Get ready to turn your cookie dreams into a successful reality. Legal considerations. Starting a cookie business involves navigating various legal requirements to ensure your venture is compliant and protected. First and foremost, obtaining the necessary permits and licenses is crucial. Depending on your location, you may need a food handler's permit, a business license, or even a cottage food license if you're baking from home. Research your local regulations to ensure you meet all legal obligations. Next, understanding food safety regulations is essential. Compliance with these regulations not only protects your customers, but also enhances your business's credibility. Familiarize yourself with guidelines regarding ingredient sourcing, kitchen cleanliness, and proper food storage. Consider taking a food safety course to equip yourself with the knowledge needed to maintain high standards. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of insurance. Business insurance can protect you from potential liabilities such as accidents or food-related issues. Investing in the right insurance coverage will give you peace of mind as you focus on growing your cookie business. Being legally prepared sets a solid foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. Branding and marketing. Creating a strong brand identity is essential for your cookie business, starting with a memorable brand name and logo. Your brand name should reflect your unique style and resonate with your target audience. A well-designed logo can enhance your brand's visibility and make a lasting impression. Consider hiring a graphic designer or using online tools to create a logo that captures the essence of your cookies. Social media platforms are powerful tools for showcasing your cookie creations. Use Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to share mouth-watering photos, behind-the-scenes videos, and baking tips. Engaging content can attract followers and turn them into customers. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags to increase your reach and connect with fellow baking enthusiasts. Building a loyal community is key to long-term success. Encourage customer interaction by responding to comments, hosting giveaways, and asking for feedback. Consider creating a newsletter to keep your audience updated on new flavors and promotions. By fostering a sense of community, you'll create loyal customers who will support your cookie business for years to come. Scaling your business. Once your cookie business is off the ground, it's time to think about growth and expansion. One effective way to scale is by expanding your product lines beyond cookies. Consider adding complementary items like cookie dough, brownies, or even seasonal treats. This diversification can attract a wider audience and increase your sales potential. Another avenue to explore is wholesale opportunities with local retailers. Partnering with cafes, grocery stores, or specialty shops can significantly boost your visibility and sales. Reach out to local businesses and propose a collaboration, offering them a unique selection of your cookies that they can sell in their stores. Customer feedback is invaluable when it comes to improving your offerings. Regularly engage with your customers through surveys or social media polls to understand their preferences and suggestions. This feedback can guide your product development and help you tailor your offerings to meet market demands. By focusing on these strategies, you'll be well on your way to successfully scaling your cookie business. In conclusion, we explored the journey of transforming your cookie passion into a profitable business. Let's recap the key steps we discussed. First, identify your unique cookie making style and conduct thorough market research to understand your competition and customer preferences. Next, create a solid business plan that outlines your goals, budget, and marketing strategies. Don't forget to address the legal considerations, including permits and food safety regulations. Once you're set up, focus on branding and marketing to build a memorable identity and engage with your audience. Finally, explore opportunities for scaling your business by expanding your product lines and considering wholesale partnerships. Remember, the most important part is taking action and staying committed to your vision. The cookie business world is full of potential, and with dedication, you can turn your passion into a thriving venture. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow baking enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.